GM infotainment systems like Chevrolet Infotainment 3, GMC IntelliLink, and Cadillac's Hue often face issues such as frozen screens, reboot loops, and black screens. These problems typically come from software glitches, hardware limitations, or overheating. The most common issues include frozen screens, reboot loops, and black screens, often caused by outdated software, corrupted data caches, or failing components. These issues typically stem from software glitches, hardware limitations, overheating, outdated software, or corrupted data caches. Start with a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the system. Always ensure your system is updated to the latest firmware version via the Vehicle Settings menu or My GM app, as updates often include stability improvements and bug fixes. For black screens, check fuses related to the display to rule out electrical issues. If issues persist after these steps, professional diagnostics are recommended to avoid voiding warranties. If basic troubleshooting fails, more advanced fixes may be needed. Reboot loops can sometimes be resolved by reflashing the infotainment system at a dealership, especially after problematic over-the-air updates. Faulty Bluetooth modules or capacitors, as seen in past GM recalls, might require hardware replacements. Many mechanics have shared videos demonstrating capacitor swaps that can fix these systems. To prevent issues, regularly update the infotainment software, avoid overheating by parking in the shade, and minimize app overload. Back up important data before performing resets to prevent data loss. For older vehicles pre-2020, aging components may be the root cause, requiring specialized repair. If problems continue, seek professional assistance to avoid voiding warranties. Also, be wary of cybersecurity risks associated with using third-party applications.